What's up YouTube? It's D-Star RC Reviews. Back at home here, I was going to show you real quick. Just rinsing the RC after you use it, at least make it worth it, keep it nice. Let's get going. So the whole thing here is, at least if you have a Traxxas, for the most part, and they usually are waterproof. It's one thing to hose them down, we got to make sure they're dried good too. Starting with the body, drew through some water in the previous video, so here we are. See? Much better. Simple water. You don't even need soap technically if you ain't getting it gooped up in mud. We'll go ahead and do the body, or the chassis. Just gotta make sure to unplug the lipo, don't be a dummy. Wipe down, maybe a dry paper towel would probably be any better. Let's just go into my pocket, which is dry anyway, so no big deal. Make sure you don't lose the parts. Not going to be worth nothing without the parts. Let's go rinse. In this case, I'm going to put the beam a little stronger than the spray. Same thing. And even still, the water doesn't always get it, so you gotta make sure to get it what you can. Make it worth it. And that's pretty much it. Nice and clean, at least rinsed down. And the other thing is, even if you miss little scraps here, once it dries, you can pretty much blow it out at that point. For those who have an air compressor, that's the time to use that, and if you don't have that, hopefully you got a leaf blower. If you don't have that, then hopefully you got a hair dryer. That'll help just get everything dry fast and not let it sit on these metal parts and screw up your bearings. So there you go, all clean. Hope this video helps anybody. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, if you really need to, you could always put some soap on there. You ain't gonna wreck it. It's really not about how wet you get it. It's more about how quick you can get it dry. So there you go. Thanks for watching.